Hello everyone, today we're going to review the 3x3 speed cube by John Enigma. It looks pretty cool, it's stickerless and so the stickers won't fall off after time. That's what I really like about it. And I already have a speed cube and it's not as fast as this one. It looks, it looks a little, cheap, but it's actually a very good cube. I mean, it's extremely fast and they have solid colors. I'm very satisfied with it and I still use it. Though I find the orange and the red very similar. So if you're doing it very fast, you might have it, you might get confused with the orange and the red. But I think that takes some getting used to. So as you can see, you have the manual. It's all in Japanese or Chinese, I forgot what it was. And besides that, you don't really need much of explanation because the manual only tells you on how to solve it. So if you're a beginner like me, you know how to solve the cube already. As you can see, this is in real time. Okay, just want to show you how fast the cube turns around with a few flicks. I'm also going to show you how stretchable it is and the angle that it can twist, like when the angle, as you know what I'm talking about, right? When you get the angle wrong, when does it, if you flick it, when does it go, even though the angle is wrong? Okay, so enjoy. Here you can see how stretchable it is. I'm trying to force it to twist again. Still can do it. Here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Check also our Facebook page. It's called Get God. Alright, this is our logo. Have fun.